kung pwede. Oh, ito na siya. Yes. Hello! Introduce yourself to everyone.
I'm Justin Bernardino. Please have the obvious.
So, okay, hinga muna. So you use also an OPM song. So what's the inspo sa routine na ito? Ano yung pinaglalaban ng pyesa nyo? With his costume? With the tattoo situation right there? What is it all about?
Sa totoo lang, pagod na kami maglungkutan. Kaya gusto namin magmaangas lang muna.
How long did you prepare sa performance nyo ngayon? Gaano ka ba haba, kabilis? Kamusta ang mga pinagdaanan natin?
Hindi kami nag-try thank you sa team na to kasi it's a 2 weeks push for us. 2 weeks push kaya maraming salamat sa lahat na naka-appreciate. I know, hindi rin excuse but I'm just grateful for these people for pushing for 2 weeks. Araw-araw, madaling araw. Sabi namin hanggang 1 lang pero umuwi kami ng alas 3 ng madaling araw. So, thank you sa lahat na naka-appreciate ng routine na yun.
Oh, grabe. Ito yung hindi natin nakikita, di ba? Behind the scene. Imagine guys, 2 weeks. 2 weeks yun. So, wow, grabe. Congratulations, AC! And last question. Here. Ate, since humihinga ka pa dyan. Introduce yourself to everyone.
Hi guys, I'm Red Bernardino.
Do you have any message sa lahat ng mga supporters ng AC? Even the parents, the families, at kahit sa mga co-competitors na you have supporters, what can you say to them?
Thank you guys so much for coming here, lalo na sa families and friends ng AC, to all the people who tried their very best to compete here in Super 24. This is a very different platform for all of us dancers, so thank you kasi lahat kayo nakaka-inspire. Panoorin, ang hirap niya guys. Sobrang hirap na ikot tayo ng ikot, no? Kahit na 1 minute and 30 lang siya, nakakapagod. And what more, during trainings, paulit-ulit yung runs natin. So yun, sobrang grateful ako sa lahat. I know we have the same passion and love for dance. Kaya ang saya na nandito tayo sa isang circle.
Again, we celebrate dance as one! Yeah. Alright? Okay, I guess they are ready. Ito na, the moment of truth, guys. Let's see if you have any out-of-bounds violation. So anytime, let's reveal it. In 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah! All green, yeah! Okay! Yeah. Second team, the all green lang. No violations. O, diba? Sige, alam niyo yung basta all green lang, panalo na, guys. Like, panalo na sa puso na, diba? But, okay. Okay, kalma. Now, you will decide, guys, sino ang blind judge nyo. Ang ating igaganon.
Salamat sa lahat ng judges, and judges, Coach Billy.
Okay! Judge Vivi, you are blinded! Alright. So now, we have our 3 remaining judges to reveal their scores. Are they ready? Ready? And ready, I guess. Okay? So, pwede kahit saan kayong marap, guys? Okay, scores! Reveal it now in 3, 2, 1! Ooh. Okay, we have 21 from Judge Arda, 20 from Judge Ronnie, and 19 from Judge Chips. And now, this is the most awaited moment. Dahil binablind si Judge Arda. It's Judge Arda's turn to give her feedback to AC. Go, T! It's your time to shine.
Yeah, I see. First of and foremost, I just want to say thank you so much for choosing to represent here in this amazing, amazing platform. Kung ano yung sinasabi ng mga leaders kanina, totoo yun. It's so different to see this kind of perspective in terms of dance. That's why ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo is, napakahusay nyo. Napakahusay. Right from the very start, I already saw the intention right away na may gusto talaga kayong patunayan eh. Nakita ko kagad yung intensity sa mata, kung sino man yung humarap sa akin, I saw it. You guys had the same intention. If manonood ko lang is, since it's four sides, you know, minsan nakakalimutan natin. I think especially on my side, medyo minsan nagpa-pass through tayo. Nagpa-pass through. But every single time though na may tumatao right in front of me, the intensity is there, the quality of movement is there, the musicality, the choreography is amazing. Ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko na maraming salamat and huge congratulations. Love you guys.
All right! Thank you so much, Judge Arda.